Hello, this is Steve Bigelow with the Candlestick Forum. Hope everybody had a good holiday season. And even though we didn't have a good social situation for 2020, the markets produced some very good profits. As we can see, the Dow closed at an all-time high. And even though for the last few months, the markets have been trading relatively sideways after a good strong move, being in the right sectors at the right time have produced some very extensive profits. So with that information, utilizing candlestick analysis allows an investor to pinpoint which areas are going to make the most profitability. As in the quote from H.J. Heinz, to do common things uncommonly well brings great success. If you utilize the information that's built into candlestick analysis, you're going to dramatically improve the probabilities of your trading profitability. So Dow closed at an all-time high. The NASDAQ has been a nice steady uptrend now for quite a few weeks, months, and we're still trading above the T line. One simple factor is use the candlestick signals and the T line to better analyze what's going on in a market trend. So the strong sectors expected going into the next week, the first week of, what do I have, this week, going into the next year, one great indicator is seeing which stocks are coming out of the chute with great strength that in the first few days of the trading year. The reason is that you've had money managers analyzing what they've done in the past year, kind of cleaned up their balance sheets, and now have had a couple weeks to analyze what sectors they want to be promoting or positioning going into the next year. So a very strong indication of what might be working well is which stocks start coming out of the chute on Monday morning with great strength. You want to continue to hold the electrical vehicles or get back into electrical vehicles after they've consolidated. Semiconductors, and I don't think that's how you spell semiconductor, computer hardware. So things like Maxar, nice J-hook pattern. Be ready to buy this one on positive trading on going into the new year. Simo, one of the semiconductors, same chart pattern, nice J-hook pattern setup. So when you can analyze the patterns, fry pan bottom, price breakout, and now you can see the next wave setting up. These are the ones that have higher probabilities of going into the next wave, putting you in much better situations. And the electric vehicles, you can see how they've consolidated. Now they're kind of bouncing, as in NIO, bouncing off the 50-day moving average. This one can be bought on positive trading after breaking out through this resistance level. Another one that we've been holding is GP, another electric vehicle stock, still in this fry pan bottom, also looking like it could be in wave 3. So once again, when you're able to put your funds into situations where the probabilities are heading in the right direction, it becomes much easier to analyze how long to continue to hold these positions, especially if they're still trading above the T line. So the markets did not sell off. There might be some profit taking in the first week of the year, but the strong sectors are still going to act strong. So with that, we'll see you in the chat rooms.